Okay, so now we have the server running, we have the workshop loaded in the browser, and we're ready to work on our first exercise. So as you're working on the exercise, you want to run a test to see if you're getting the correct answer, right? So Kent has provided with the workshop a whole test suite using Jest, which he explains in a later workshop once you get past React hooks. But we just need to know how to use it in order to work on these exercises. And the one caveat is that not all the exercises have tests. And also, when you go to test, you're going to cancel out of the server and you're going to run npm test. And then, so you can see here on line 38, there's the test command. And then we get a few different options. And if you press P to filter, so you can run all the tests, or you can press P to filter by a file name. So I'll go ahead and run all the tests. And you can see they all pass. And so that's not good, right? Well, I mean, it's great that they all pass, but I haven't done anything on the exercise in order to get for the code to pass. So to get to the exercise, you go inside of the source folder, and then under where it says exercise, if you click here, you get to the first exercise, which we're seeing on the right hand side. And the markdown is just what you're seeing here on the left in the browser in gray. So just to demonstrate that, here's use state greeting, your notes, background. And so the code goes in this file here. So you can see he has directions like delete this, update the name here. Based on what you read here in the instructions, you're going to attempt this exercise. But then you want to run npm test to see if the code works, right? So the reason for this, the reason why they're saying they're all passing, is if you go inside the tests folder, and if I go to the first exercise here, you can see that it's actually importing from the final. So for all the exercises, Kent gives you the solution. So don't feel like you have to stay stuck, more than 20-25 minutes on any particular problem. Be sure to kind of check out the solution and move forward. So what you have to do is uncomment so that it doesn't import from the final solutions folder, and then make this import app from exercise 01. So in each test file, you just want to make sure that you're importing from the files that the folder of the exercise files that you're working on, and not from the final solution. So if we go back here and we run npm test again, and this time what I'll do is I'll filter. I'll press P, and then I'll filter by I'll just say 01, which is the first match here. I'll hit enter, and so it says pass, but let's save it. Okay, and now it says failed. So I must have not have saved the file before running the test. So now it says it failed. So, and it gives you, some more information. Typing a name shows a greeting. So this for this exercise, when you type your name, it should say, like in this instance, hello, Jonathan. So just keep that in mind as you're working on things. If the tests are immediately passing and you haven't done any work, make sure you just go into the test file and make sure that you're importing your files and not the solution files, so that the tests give an accurate reading as far as what's going on. So that's it.